Stop scrolling! These 5 English sentences can change how you speak every single day. 5 sentences you must know. Hello, English learners. Welcome back to Slowly English.
In today's video, you'll learn 5 daily English sentences you can use in your everyday life. These 5 sentences are simple and used in daily conversations. They'll help you speak English more confidently. Let's learn them one by one. Number 1. How are you? Example: How are you today? Number 2. I'm fine, thank you. Example: I'm fine, thank you. And you? Number 3. Can you help me? Example: Can you help me with this? Number 4. I don't understand. Example: I don't understand this part.
Number 5. Have a nice day. Example: Have a nice day. Take care.
These are 5 daily English sentences you can start using today. Practice these sentences every day and try to use them in real life. Let's quickly review. Number 1. How are you? Number 2. I'm fine, thank you. Number 3. Can you help me? Number 4. I don't understand. Number 5. Have a nice day. That's it for today. I hope you learned something new.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Slowly English. See you in the next video. Take care and have a nice day. Goodbye.